We're going to make some smoked nachos using the new Blackstone Pellet Grill. I'm going to start by using some ground beef and cooking that on the griddle. You can use whatever smoked meat you have, like this is the perfect thing for like some leftover smoked brisket or some pulled pork. But I don't have any of that, so I'm just making some ground beef real quick. I'm going to season this up with some of the street taco seasoning from Blackstone and get that all mixed up on the griddle. And once it's cooked all the way through, I'm just going to pull that off and set it to the side. Next, I'm going to use some tortilla chips and put it in a cast iron pan, and I'm going to top it liberally with some of that ground beef. I'm also going to put some black beans on here. The beauty of nachos is you can add whatever toppings you want, so leave these off if you don't want beans on your nachos. Then I'm going to top this with some shredded cheese. I'm using this Mexican blend cheese. And at this point, I'm going to put the pan in the smoker. I have preheated the smoker up to about 250 degrees. And I'm going to put that pan in there and let that cheese start to melt and let those chips kind of start to get some of that smoky flavor. While that's cooking, I'm going to go ahead and prep the rest of my toppings. So I'm going to dice up some red onion here. Go ahead and get a nice fine dice on these red onions. Then I'm going to cut up an avocado, and I'm just going to cut that in half. Remove that seed from inside the avocado. And then I'm going to quarter it, and which makes it easy to peel the outside peel off and makes it easier to dice up. You could of course use guacamole here instead of whole avocado. Then I'm going to chop up some cilantro. And by this point, it's about time to pull those nachos out. The cheese is starting to get nice and melty. We've got some of that smoke flavor put onto these nachos, and I'm just going to top it with my different toppings. I'm going to throw on my red onion, throw on my avocado. I'm going to add a little bit of homemade salsa here. If you'd like to see that video, it is coming soon on how to make some homemade smoked salsa. I also had some of this Taco Bell Chipotle sauce that I'm going to top on top of my nachos. And then I like to use the Salvadorian sour cream. It's almost like a Mexican crema. It's just a little different flavor. And then I'm going to finish it by topping with my cilantro. And then there you have it. Some beautiful smoked nachos. These are delicious. You guys can make them however you like. Put whatever toppings you want on there. It's a nice unique twist to a regular nacho. Hope you guys try it. Let me know if you do. Till next time, thanks for watching.
Mmm.